Hi there, Samantha. I am Alexis with Weblings Web Design, and I am shooting this video for you today to show you 3 things you can do to help bring in more customers. I want to give you this free plan of attack to actually help you and your business. So if by the end of this video you've seen what I can do and you like what I can do, please feel free to contact us so we can get a meeting set up so we can talk about this. I want to keep this short and sweet. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citation, and backlinks. We're going to get started with content on your page. Google likes to see about 1,500 words on your page, on your home page, and you don't have that much. So we want to increase the number of words on your front page tremendously. 1,500 is what they like on that page, but more is better always. In pages like these, they want more content. About 250 words on the other pages would be ideal. And another thing for content is your photos. Like these, we want to save them correctly. So see, as this one, like these, we would want to save correctly. So we would go down here to save image, and you can see how this really doesn't mean anything. You would want to go in there and put a keyword that you are wanting to be connected to, that will help you in the long run. If you save these as keywords, that will help boost your profile as well. The second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. And citation is your name, number, and address, and how many times that is found on sites like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So here we go in here and we try to look for your name, and I am not seeing it. So to be able to find your citations, you would go in here to Whitespark, and it runs about $40 a month for this, but you would get in here and you can see that you have 39 citations. That's only 40% of your competitor citations, so they're giving you 59 opportunities. So what you would want to do is you would come down here to opportunities, and these are all the pages that have links for your competitors that you do not have. So you can go in here and you can get all these and get your name, number, and address all on these pages to get more citations. And you always want to do more than what your competitors have so you can overrank them. That's the best for citations. So for the third thing, you are going to go to Ahrefs, and the third thing is backlinks. Backlinks are what get you trust, and the trust is your strength, and your trust in your website is this URL, which is the strength, and the DR, which is the trust that Google has for your website. So in here, these are all your numbers. You have 89 backlinks, but you have 29 referring domains, which means all 89 of those backlinks are on 29 different websites. And in here, I have already pulled up 2 of your competitors. This one is Anytime Plumbing 247, and although they have about the same amount as you, backlinks are not created the same. They're not created equally, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about that. We can go in here to backlinks, and we can see all the backlinks that they have. This, the DR, is your trust again, okay? And all these, the higher the number is, the higher the trust is in Google. So you're going to want to get in here and you want to get all these high numbers. You're going to want to get backlinks on their pages for your website. And that is how you build the trust and the strength. You're going to want to go for the higher power backlinks because you have 89, but your trust and your strengths are lower in numbers compared to theirs. Theirs were basically all 90s, and you have a bunch of 22s. So you're just going to want to get in there and you want to get all of those backlinks. And here's another competitor, K Plumbing Inc. they have 98, which is more than you, but they also, look at that, all 90s. You're going to want to get in there and you're going to want to grab those, and that will help you rank up in Google. Your goal is to be number 1, and that will help you tremendously. But that is all I have for you. Those 3 things: the content, the citations, and the backlinks. Those are all great things to help your business. So this is all free for you, but if you would like to contact us, if you would like our services, please feel free to contact us at 765-639-9289. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.